Hello, and thank you for checking out our video demonstration on this Boss DD-3 delay pedal. For this demonstration, I'm using a Paul Reed Smith S2 guitar, as well as a Boss Katana 50-watt amp. Now, the pedal does look a little bit banged up, however, it works perfectly well, as you will hear and see in this video. For more information on this pedal, as well as other items that we have listed for sale, be sure to check out the link in the description below.